Good day. Welcome to our new video from Golden Detector Company in Abu Dhabi. Now I will discuss to you one of the greatest locator in the market, which is Gold Star 3D Scanner. The device has 8 search system: Auto Long Range Locator, Control Long Range Locator, Manual Long Range Locator, Ionic, Bionic, Pointer, Live Stream, and 3D Ground Scan. The range for the device is 3,000 meters in front range. The depth for the device is 50 meters depth underground. Also, the device comes with 5 years warranty and the device is made in Germany. In this video, I will discuss to you how to assemble the parts and how to use the device. Now I will discuss to you the full package for the parts and accessories of Gold Star 3D Scanner. So first, we have here the multi-ground scanner, okay, for 3D imaging. Vertical high signal transceiver sensor. This one is for the pointer and the live stream. And this one is the intelligent multi-transceiver unit. We're going to use it for the Ionic and Bionic, and also for the long range. Also, we have here the main unit. We have 2 antenna here for the long range. Connector for the 3D imaging sensor. You will attach it in the main unit. This one is the shaft. Okay, it has a armrest. Okay, and the arm strap. And also we have here the shaft. So this one is the extension or connector shaft. You can make it longer and shorter. Okay, you will attach it here. And also, this box included home charger and bolt and nuts. And we have here the headphone, battery pack. This is 21,000 milliamperes. And also, the tablet for the 3D ground scanner. You will see the image here, and also for the live stream. So basically, I will discuss to you on how to assemble the parts for the 3 long range system. Here we have here the main unit. You have to attach this IMTU sensor like this, and also the 2 antenna. So you have to make it longer, the 2 antenna. Okay. And by the way, we will use this sensor and the antenna for the 3 search system for long range. Now, for the auto control or auto LRL, okay, you have to lock this antenna. You have here, you can rotate this unlock and lock to rotate or to move the antenna. Basically, in the auto LRL, you will have to lock this antenna. In manual and control LRL, okay, you have to rotate this to unlock the antenna. Okay, and also you have to put this battery pack. Okay, the battery pack, it has a cable. You have to put it on the outlet here in the main unit, outlet for the power supply. Now we are here in the Gold Star screen. You can see ground scan, auto LRL, control LRL, manual LRL, Ionic, Bionic, live stream, Pinpointer, and scan files. You can save the scan files or the one that you scan in the 3D imaging. And also the settings. We have here the power saver. You can set the date and set the time. Security, you can turn on and off the pin lock, and also you can set the pin. And here in the reset settings, factory settings, clear memory. And for the screen, we have here sleep mode, and you can adjust the brightness. And also for the language, we have too many languages here. And also for the sound, we have general volume, keypad volume, scan volume. And for the info, you will see here the device version, software version, model, serial number. And now we are here in the screen for the auto long range locator. Here on the left, the distance, you can adjust the distance from 100 to 3,000 meters. We'll just press down and up to adjust. Okay. And then on the right, the depth for the device, if you which depth you want. So this one, you can select 10 to 100 meters for the depth. For example, I already choose also 50. Okay. Just press this OK. And on the screen, it will tell you right direction. So you have to move right. Okay. After that, left direction. Okay, you have to move left until at the end of this part on the left. Okay. And now it will tell you right direction. So you have to move right. And when it's done, it will give you a report for the gold, 100%, silver, 12%, iron is 5%, and for the diamond is 5%. Now we will discuss how to use the auto long range locator. But first, you have to lock this antenna by rotating this, okay? And also, you have to put the IMTU sensor and the antenna, and then you have to do the normal position like this, okay? Not too high and not too low. And now we will scan. On the screen, it will tell me from the start, right direction, okay? So I will go on the right. Start. Now, it's telling me right direction, okay? So I will move slowly. And then now, left direction. Okay. Okay. And then now, right direction. Not too fast, okay? Just slowly. And after that, when it's done, it will give you a report like on the screen earlier. Okay? For the gold, silver, iron, and diamond. And now we are here on the screen for the control long range locator. Okay? Now you can see soil type. So you can choose soil type there. You can choose rock or rocky, neutral, mix, metallic, clay, sandy, mineral, chalky, or salty. For example, you have a neutral or for example, you have a metallic soil. It's too much metallic. I want to choose metallic now. Okay, and then press OK. And then you have to go to the frequency. So this frequency, okay, you can choose or you can set the frequency from 250 Hertz to 18,000 Hertz. And now this control long range locator, so you cannot use or you cannot choose if which target you want, like gold, copper, silver, bronze. You have to do you have to adjust the frequency for that. Okay. And now, for example, I choose 5,750. press OK. And then let's go to the distance. Okay. For the distance for the control long range locator, you can set from 250 or 250 to 3,000 meters. Okay. For example, I will choose 500. Press OK. Then we will go to the depth. For the depth, you can set the depth for 10 meters to 50 meters for this. Okay. I'll just press down and then left and right. Okay. I will choose 19 meters. Okay. And here on the scan, we will go there. This is a report, okay, for the settings. So your soil type is metallic. Frequency is 5,750 Hertz. Distance is 500 meters. And then depth is 19 meters. So you have to press OK to start scan. And here we are here in the control long range locator screen, okay, for the scanning. So you can see we have here the compass and also the arrow here. And also we have here for the smart or balancing indicator. Okay. And now, as you can see, we have here, you can lock or unlock the antenna, right? But on this control long range locator, you have to unlock the antenna. So it will move freely. Okay. If this indicator or also the antenna will turn left, also the indicator will turn left. Okay. And if this one, if the indicator or the antenna will turn full left, it will give you a tone. And also for the right, if the antenna will go right, also the indicator will go right. And if the antenna will turn full right, it will give you also a tone. Okay. And this one for the indicator for the smart balancing for the device, you will see normal. So this is the right position, okay, for the device. So I will advise to you to use the normal or do the position like normal position. So it will give you a 100% accurate result. So if this one will turn up, okay, it will tell you it's high. And if it is low, it will tell you low. Now guys, I will discuss to you on how to use the control long range locator. Okay. Now, you have to unlock this so the antenna will move freely. Okay. And also you have to put the IMTU sensor. We will unlock this. Okay. And now you have to do the position like this for the device. Okay. It should be on normal like this. Not too high and not too low. It will give you an indicator here. Okay. So it will give you an accurate result. Okay. And now you have also the compass here, right? You should scan in the north, okay, for the best result. And now, if this antenna, okay, will turn left, also the indicator here will turn left, you have to rotate also with the antenna, okay? Every time it will turn, okay? And okay, for example, you will walk forward and then this antenna will go right again. Okay, you have to rotate again with the antenna to the right. Okay, but while you're walking, if this antenna will give you or move like this on the full left, okay, it means you have to stop. Okay, and then put the marker there. So you have a marker there on the ground, and then rotate, turn left. Okay, because this one give you left, full left. So now do the scanning again, okay, like this. And then now you will walk forward, okay. Again, this antenna will turn full left, okay, or full right, okay. For example, it will turn right, okay, full right. So you have to stop again and put the marker again on the ground, okay, and then turn, rotate on the right. And then again, scan, okay. This antenna will again turn right, okay. It means the target is on this side, so it will giving a result for this side. It will turn right, you have to stop again and then put the marker, okay, and then scan again, and then again the antenna will turn right, okay, like this. You have to stop until you make that perfect square, okay. It means the target is on the center of the square, okay. And now it's 100%. So now you have to go there on the middle, okay. You remember the target is on the middle, so you want to know the depth, okay, the exact depth, or the depth. So you have to do the scanning again, okay, on the corner. You can do the scanning on the 4 corners of the square, okay. Remember, you have the 4 markers, okay. And then now you will scan on the left corner, okay. So again, you walk forward, and then this antenna will turn left or full right, okay. You have to stop, okay, and make the measurement from the target to the end or where the antenna stops, okay. And that's the depth for the target. Again, if you want to make 100% sure, you can make it on the 3 corners also, okay. So it will give you the same depth. And now we are here in the screen for the manual long range locator. Now you can see we have here the target. You can choose bronze, cavity, copper, diamond, gemstones, gold ore, gold treasure, gold veins, iron, platinum, and silver. For example, I want to choose silver. Just press OK. And then go to the distance. So this distance, you can adjust the distance for 250 to 3,000 meters. And you have to press right and left to adjust. For example, I will choose 550 meters. Okay. And then we will go to the depth. So you can see, you can adjust the depth from 10 meters to 50 meters. Okay. Just press left and right also. So you can adjust. For example, I will choose 14 meters. Okay. And then on the right, we will go to the scan. So it will give you a report for your settings. For the target, we choose silver. Distance is 550 meters. Depth is 14 meters. So now we will start scan. Press OK. And also same with the screen for the control LRL. Okay. This one is the manual LRL, but it's same screen. Same with the compass and also for the indicator. This one, the antenna will go left. Also the indicator will go left. It will give you a tone. Okay, if the antenna will turn full left and right again, it will give you the indicator will give you, or the arrow will go to the right also. And then full right, it will give you a tone also. And so same with the smart balancing here. Okay, if your position is in normal, so it will tell you normal, high, okay, it will tell you high, and low, it will tell you low. Same with the control LRL. You have to do the position, okay, for the device, for the main device, in normal. So it will give you an accurate result. Now guys, I will discuss to you the manual long-range locator. Same with the control long-range locator. You have to unlock this antenna, okay, by rotating this, and also attach the IMTU sensor, okay. Then now, same, you have to do the position in the normal, not too high and not too low, okay. And then also the indicator will turn left, okay. You have to rotate again, follow the antenna, okay. And if this one turn right, follow the antenna again, rotate there, okay, on the right. Same with the control LRL. Again, if this antenna will turn left, you have to stop, okay, and then put the marker, and then you have to rotate on the left, Okay, and again, scan again like this. You should be on the normal position. Okay, and this one will turn right, so you have to stop again and then put the marker and go forward again, walk again, same until you make that perfect square. Okay, same with the control LRL. The target is on the middle of the square, so you will go to the middle of the square. The target is there, remember? Okay, so again, for the four corners, you want to know the real depth. Okay, because I choose 50 meter, I think 30 meters, I mean. So you want to know the real depth. Maybe it's from 5 meters, 25 meters. Okay, so you want to know the real depth, you have to do the scanning on the four corners. Go again there. Okay, walk again on the corner. Normal position again. Okay, not too high and low. Until this walk again, until this antenna will turn left or full right, full left. It means you have to stop, and then that's the depth for the target. Okay, take the measurement, okay, for the depth. So that's the real depth for the target. And then now 100%, if you want to make it sure, make it on the three corners also. And now I will discuss to you the screen for the live stream. As you can see, this one, okay, the color green, it means the device is giving you the ground, okay, color green. And sometimes this one will give you a color blue, light blue and color blue or dark blue. Meaning the light blue is the light cavity, the dark blue is the big cavity. And also this one will give you a color yellow. It means small piece of metal. And also sometimes this one, if the device detect the gold or the big piece of metal, it will give you color red. Okay. So this one, each target, okay, it will give you a value. So meaning 100 below, it will give you the ground. Light blue is for the cavity, and the blue is cavity also, dark blue. And also, for the yellow, okay, for the color yellow, it will give you 100 and up. And also for the color red, okay. And this one, the speed, you can adjust this by pressing left and right. And then press this button here, color red. So it will apply. And also this one, sensitivity, you can adjust, okay, from 1 to 6. Okay, or from 0 to 6. Okay, and then press start, okay, to apply. Now I will discuss to you how to use the live stream system. But first, we have to attach this VST sensor. So it should be like this. Okay, and then remember this sensor, okay, it should be 2 centimeter to 5 centimeter on the ground. Okay, and now we will do the scanning. Okay, now as you can see, the bottom is giving me the light for color green. Also same with the screen. Okay, the green, by the way, the color green means the ground. The light blue means light cavity, and the color blue means the big cavity. And also the yellow one, the color yellow is the small metal. Okay, and then if this device give you color red here, okay, it means gold or big metal. Okay, for now, as you can see, we will do the live stream scanning here. I will move forward. Okay, and now giving me color yellow, so it means there's a small piece of metal here. Okay, here on the side. It's giving me color red, so it means there can be a gold or big metal. Okay, here color yellow again. So now guys, I will discuss to you the screen for the pinpointer. As you can see, we have here the calibration, refresh, and the sensitivity. And also the graph here. If this one will let you see like this, okay, it means the pinpointer is detecting the cavity. On the other hand, if this graph will go up, okay, and it will give you a color red, it means the device is detecting the metal, okay. And then also, before you start the scanning, you have to calibrate. Just press this, okay, to calibrate, and then here, reset at the middle, okay. Just press this or this one, okay. Then I look, it's detecting the color red, or meaning it's metal. You can refresh this every time, and then now you can here adjust the sensitivity also, okay. So the sensitivity is going to from 0 to 10. And now we will discuss on how to use the pointer system. Here we will attach the VST sensor. Okay. And then remember 2 centimeter from the ground or 5 centimeter. Okay. And now, as you can see, we will do the scanning. Here you can adjust the calibration. Okay. You can calibrate the device, and also you can refresh, okay, or reset. And also you can adjust the sensitivity up to 0 to 10. Okay. But now I choose 10 for sensitivity. For now, I will calibrate. Okay. And then reset. Okay. And then now it's giving me here on this part of the tiles, it's cavity. So remember, if it is on the graph is on the lower part, it's giving you cavity. Okay. And we will check for some of the tiles. And here, as you remember, here it's giving me on the upper part for the graph, it's color red. So it means the device is detecting metal here on this part. Okay. So every time you do the pointer scanning, you have to move like this, walking forward slowly. Also, you can do on the right, and then you can move back like this, also giving me a metal here. Okay, like this. But this one, it's not like the live stream. It will not give you the light, okay, for the signal. If it is ground, cavity, or gold, okay, it will not give you. Not same like the live stream. Now we will discuss on how to use the Ionic system. But first, you have to put the IMTU sensor, okay? And also, the antenna, the 2 antenna, you have to remove and lock the antenna holder, okay, by rotating this. I already locked this, okay? And for example, I'm doing the scanning, so you have to do the position or the motion up and down, okay? Like this. At the same time, you can make the position or motion like left and right, okay, like this, but slowly, not too fast, okay? And then also you can make a wave motion, okay? And then for example, we are going to start for the scanning. I will show you the screen. And also, by the way, this one, we have a button here, so you can reset the Ionic system, okay? Here, press it. So for example, this circle will give you color red, okay? It means the device is detecting metal, okay? It means this Ionic system, it will detect any kinds of metal, okay? For example, here, the color red, it will give you a full color red here on the circle. It means the target is near on the device, okay? If color blue, it will give you a full color blue on the circle. It means the cavity is near on the device is detecting the cavity near on the device, okay? And also, you can adjust the gain and also the sensitivity. Now guys, we will discuss on how to use the Bionic system, okay? First, you have to attach this IMTU sensor and also remove the antenna, do 2 antenna, and lock this antenna holder by rotating this, okay? And same with the Ionic system. You have to do the motion like up and down, slowly, okay? and then left and right slowly also, and then wave motion. Okay, and now for example, we do the scanning. So we have here the reset also button, and also if you want to start the scanning, you have to press this. Here's the screen. Okay, by the way, this Bionic system, okay, for example, from the first scan, the device detect gold. Okay, in the other location, for example, this one, okay, detect that one. For example, this the device detect gold, and then you move to other location, okay, like this, and then this one will turn red again, and it will give you a tone. It means it's the same gold. Okay, it will just look for gold only. Okay, it will not look for any other target like iron. Okay, so every time you reset this, it will scan or detect a new target. Okay, so also this one you can adjust the gain and also the sensitivity. Okay, and this one, the grab, if this device detects something or detects some metal, it will turn red and going up. Okay, also same with the circle one, it will stop like that and it will give you a color red. Now guys, I'm going to discuss to you on how to assemble the multi-ground scanner sensor. But first, as you can see, this one is the shaft. Okay, you have to put it like this. Okay, and you have the nut for this, or bolt. Okay, and then the nut, and this one, okay, is the shaft for the armrest also, and for the main unit. Here you can put the main unit here by sliding it like this. Okay, and press this. There's a button here, and it will be locked automatically. Okay, and now, so you can see, we will put this here. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can make it longer and shorter. Okay, and remember, you have to put the connector with the main unit to connect the cable. Okay, and then of course you have to put this cable here in the main unit. And now guys, we will discuss the screen for the ground scanner. So first, as you can see, I can choose here device or tablet. So it's up to you if which device you want to use. For now, we will use the main unit for the device, for the scanning or for the screen. Okay, here, as you can see, you can choose manual or automatic. Okay, and here you can choose path. So zigzag or one direction, meaning one direction is like a parallel scanning. Okay, and then here you can choose the width and the height. The width is the row of the scanning, okay, or the row of the line, and the height is the number of the steps from going forward. Okay, and then now here you can check the start point. You can choose left or right. Okay, now as you can see on the scan, you will see all the settings that you made. So mode is manual, path is one direction or parallel, size is 3x3, start point is on the left. Okay, so now for example, you want to scan, just press this, and then as you can see, you can press this one on the button here if you want to scan. Okay, example that one. Okay, every time you step, you have to push this button, the color red on the handle. Okay, one, it meaning second line. Okay, it's this one, the current Y is giving you a number of step or number of the line. Okay, And then that's the time you can save the scan. And now, for example, you're done with the scanning and you save the file already, or save the scan already. You go to scan files. Okay, you can see all the scan that you made and saved. I will just choose this one, open. Okay, as you can see, it has a column. So this one, if I press start, it will remove the column. If you want to put the column, just press again, okay. And then on this part is the search. So just press OK, and then you will see the average, depth, and the percent of the each color. Okay, and then press OK again. I will go to the filter. This filter, it will remove the color green, meaning the color green is the ground. Okay, and now we will go back to the search. Okay. As you can see, each type or each column, it will give a different depth. It depends on the scan that you made. Okay, here on this first part or the first scan, the depth is 3.0. The average is 165, and also for the second one is 159 average. Depth is 2.9 meters. Okay, and also this one, as you can see, I will move here. It will change the depth, okay, and the average. So this one, it's with the metal, so a small piece of metal and the gold or big piece of metal. Okay, so the depth for that one is, for that column, is 4.0 meters. Okay, on this part you can see all the percent from different colors. So this one, 10%, meaning 10% of gold and big piece of metal. And this one is 77%, meaning 77% ground for the color green or the soil. And then now this one is the cavity, okay? Meaning the cavity is 11%. Now guys, I will discuss to you on how to use the ground scanner system. First, I already show you that I put already this battery, okay, and also the sensor. And now, for example, remember I already choose, okay, device. I will choose device. It's up to you if you want to use the tablet or the device, okay. And now I choose already a manual, okay. And then also I choose already the one direction path, so it means parallel, okay. And then 3 by 3, it means 3 rows and 3 steps, okay. And then also I started the point on the left, okay. So now we will start here. We will do the scan, and now every time you scan, you have to press this button, the color red, okay. Here on the first scan, I will press 1, 2, 3, okay. Remember, you have to go back from the start and then move on the right. It's parallel position, okay. And then now let's scan again. 1, 2, and then 3, okay. And then go back and then go to the right. Remember, this sensor, it should be 2 centimeter to 5 centimeter on the ground, okay. And then I will move here. Again, it's parallel. Again. Okay. Again. And last one. Okay. And then now it will give you save option or cancel for the scanning. Okay. So for now I will choose save. So it will be saved on the device. So I can check if all the depths, all the information for the target. Now we're done for the Gold Star 3D Scanner video. I already explained to you how to use the device and the details for the device. If you have questions, feel free to contact us in our contact numbers and in our email. By the way, this is from Golden Detector Company in Abu Dhabi. Thank you.